Welcome to K-Shift Zone, the place where automotive passion meets real-world insight. Here, we dive deep into the latest cars, future-ready technology, and market-changing models that redefine everyday driving. Today, we explore a car that has quietly evolved into something far more mature, refined, and competitive than ever before, the 2026 Chevrolet Cobalt. The 2026 Chevrolet Cobalt arrives with a fresh sense of purpose, designed to meet the expectations of modern drivers who want reliability, comfort, efficiency, and smart features without stepping into premium pricing. Chevrolet has taken feedback from global markets and refined the Cobalt into a sedan that feels contemporary while staying true to its practical roots. From the first glance, it's clear that this is not just an update but a thoughtful evolution. The exterior design of the 2026 Cobalt reflects Chevrolet's latest design language. The front fascia looks sharper and more confident, featuring a redesigned grille that blends seamlessly with sleek LED headlights. The hood lines are more pronounced, giving the car a stronger road presence, while the aerodynamic profile helps improve efficiency and stability. Subtle chrome accents and well-sculpted body panels add a touch of sophistication without being flashy. At the rear, updated LED tail lamps and a clean bumper design complete a look that feels modern and well-balanced for urban and highway driving alike. Step inside the 2026 Chevrolet Cobalt, and the improvements become even more noticeable. The cabin is designed with simplicity and functionality in mind, yet it feels more premium than previous generations. Higher quality materials, improved seat cushioning, and better sound insulation make a big difference in daily comfort. The dashboard layout is clean and driver-focused, with controls placed intuitively for ease of use. Chevrolet has clearly focused on making the interior a comfortable space for long commutes and family trips. Technology plays a key role in the 2026 Cobalt's appeal. The infotainment system features a larger touchscreen with improved responsiveness and a user-friendly interface. Smartphone connectivity through Apple CarPlay and Android Auto is standard in most markets, allowing seamless access to navigation, music, and calls. Bluetooth connectivity, USB ports, and steering-mounted controls ensure that drivers stay connected without distraction. A digital instrument cluster or semi-digital display, depending on the variant, provides clear driving information at a glance. Comfort and space have always been strengths of the Cobalt, and the 2026 model continues this tradition. The seats offer good support, making long drives less tiring, while rear seat legroom is generous for a compact sedan. The wide cabin layout ensures that passengers don't feel cramped, even on longer journeys. The trunk capacity remains impressive for its class, easily accommodating luggage, groceries, or daily essentials, making the Cobalt a practical choice for families and professionals alike. Under the hood, the 2026 Chevrolet Cobalt focuses on efficiency and reliability rather than aggressive performance. Depending on the market, it is expected to be offered with refined petrol engines that balance fuel economy with smooth power delivery. These engines are tuned for city and highway use, offering responsive acceleration for everyday driving while keeping fuel consumption in check. A manual transmission option remains available for those who enjoy control, while an automatic or CVT option caters to drivers seeking convenience in traffic-heavy conditions. The driving experience of the 2026 Cobalt is calm, predictable, and comfortable. The suspension is tuned to absorb road imperfections effectively, providing a smooth ride even on uneven surfaces. Steering is light and precise, making city maneuvering easy, while highway stability has been improved for confident long-distance travel. Chevrolet has worked on reducing cabin noise, resulting in a quieter and more relaxed driving environment compared to earlier versions. Safety has received a significant upgrade in the 2026 Chevrolet Cobalt. The car is equipped with essential safety features such as multiple airbags, ABS with EBD, electronic stability control, and traction control. Rear parking sensors and a reverse camera make parking easier and safer, especially in tight urban spaces. In some markets, additional driver assistance features may be available, further enhancing peace of mind for drivers and passengers. One of the strongest points of the 2026 Cobalt is its cost-effectiveness. Chevrolet has positioned the sedan as a value-driven option that delivers more features and refinement without pushing the price too high. Low maintenance costs, good fuel efficiency, and Chevrolet's widespread service network make it an attractive option for buyers who want a dependable car with modern features. This balance of affordability and quality is what keeps the Cobalt relevant in competitive markets. The 2026 Chevrolet Cobalt is especially appealing in regions where buyers prioritize durability, comfort, and resale value. It's a car designed for real-world use, whether it's daily commuting, family responsibilities, or long highway drives. Chevrolet's focus on practical upgrades rather than unnecessary gimmicks makes the Cobalt a smart choice for those who value substance over hype. In a market filled with crossovers and SUVs, the 2026 Cobalt proves that a well-built sedan still has a strong place. Its improved design, comfortable interior, modern technology, and reliable performance make it a well-rounded package. Chevrolet has successfully transformed the Cobalt into a car that feels current, efficient, and thoughtfully engineered for today's drivers. The 2026 Chevrolet Cobalt is not about chasing trends but about refining what matters most. It delivers comfort, safety, efficiency, and value in a clean and modern form. For buyers looking for a dependable sedan that fits seamlessly into everyday life, the new Cobalt stands as a strong and sensible choice, showing that practical cars can still feel fresh and rewarding in 2026.